Logic paths can be used in a workflow where we need the same workflow to execute different actions depending on different scenarios, especially when there are more than one scenario. For example, in this workflow, I would like the fully paid field to be checked if the due payment amount is equal to 0, and to be unchecked if the due payment amount is more than 0. To begin with the workflow, we will set the trigger for the order form once the due payment field is getting updated. This should be followed by 2 logic paths. I'm setting the filter for one of them where the due payment field is equal to 0. And for the other one, the due payment field should be greater than 0. These logic paths here define the scenarios for the following actions based on which the workflows will be executed. So if the due payment is equal to 0, the fully paid field should be checked. So we will use an update record action right after the path and we'll set it accordingly. Similarly, for the other logic path, where we need the fully paid field to be unchecked when the due payment is greater than 0, we will also use another update record action like before. Now let's see how this workflow executes on the app. For this record, where the due payment is yet unchecked, I'm going to add full payment, which will eventually update the due payment field and will make it 0. As soon as I added the full payment, it updated the due payment to 0 and our logic path workflow changed the fully paid field to be checked. Now if I change the due payment value to anything greater than 0, the fully paid field will be changed back to unchecked.